The launch of the new Pixel 10 Pro Fold marks a new era for Android apps, where high-quality experiences are expected across every screen. To translate what this new hardware means for us, I am speaking with Jeff from the Pixel PM team, and I even heard there's an exciting announcement to help us with building better adaptive apps.
The Pixel 10 Pro Fold is our most advanced foldable yet, and it brings a ton of new innovations this year. It all starts at the hinge. Pixel 10 Pro Fold features an all-new gearless hinge that is smooth and twice as durable as before. When unfolded, you're greeted by an 8-inch Super Actual Flex display that is our biggest and brightest display on a phone yet. When it's folded, you have a larger 6.4-inch Actual display, all in a design that's narrower and feels great in your hand. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold has our biggest batteries yet in a foldable device and has 30 hours of battery life. And it's the first foldable with Qi 2 built in. This gives Pixel 10 Pro Fold compatibility with a wide range of first-party and third-party magnetic accessories, including our newly announced Pixel Snap accessories. With split screen, users can now multitask easier than ever, or they can use drag and drop to drag media and files from one app to the next. Pixel 10 Pro Fold is more than just a device launch. It represents a shift that's happening in Android, where users are getting phones in all kinds of shapes and sizes. And this means that they expect your apps to work across all these different shapes and sizes, and presents a critical opportunity for Android developers to adopt adaptive development principles.
That shift is driving a fundamental approach to building apps. Let's learn more about adaptive development from Miguel, a developer relations engineer on large screens.
The strategic advantage for building adaptively is huge. It's about user engagement and retention. We see that when a user uses an app on their phone and also a larger screen, that user is almost 3 times more engaged. Additionally, the Play Store actively promotes apps that have excellent large screen experiences. This means building adaptively with an adaptive mindset not only benefits your current users and makes them happier, but also helps you reach new users as well. The big news is Composed Adaptive Layouts Library 1.2 is officially entering beta today. This is our foundational library for building UI that adapts across different window sizes. And this release includes powerful new features like Reflow and Levitate, which helps you build dynamic layouts that look great on the outer and inner displays. Additionally, this release also includes built-in support for the new large and extra large window size classes. Developers looking to build adaptively should think about 4 core practices that they should follow. First, don't restrict orientation. Your app should work in both portrait and landscape. Second, support optimized layouts. Use libraries like the Composed Adaptive Layouts and Jetpack Window Manager to build UI that adapts to different window sizes and device postures. Additionally, think beyond touch. Build great experiences for your users that use keyboard, mouse, stylus. And finally, use the resizable emulator in Android Studio to test across various screen sizes and form factors. I think the single most exciting thing is, as a developer, your app's potential is no longer confined to a single screen. With this, you can build a single app with a single code base that works great on your phone and then expands to a more productive experience on tablets and foldables. My advice for developers on the first step they should take an inventory of where you are. Test your app on a large screen device, identify areas for improvement using the resizable emulator in Android Studio. Next, explore the large screen design gallery and app quality guidelines, see what's possible and envision where your app can go. And finally, bring your vision to life. Check out our libraries like the Composed Adaptive Layouts Library and Jetpack Window Manager.
Get inspired and find all the resources you need to build for every fold, flip, and screen at developer.android.com/adaptive-apps.